Hey, and welcome to Witchcrafty. I've made a couple of Stardew Valley characters and I've had a few farm animals requested. One of the most common was a chicken plush, so here's my version. I think this would be a great addition to any Shane cosplay and also a great template for Easter decorations. Here's a list of everything you'll need. You can of course change the colours to create the different variations of chickens, but I may create a tutorial for those specific ones in the future to make them more accurate. The pattern is linked in the description and is for free from my DeviantArt. This is scaled to an A4 piece of paper. Make sure to add seam as my patterns don't include it, and it creates one small hand-sized chicken plushie. The first thing you need to do is to take the two beige ellipse shapes and place them with the tracing facing up and sew along one side. Then leave the top straight edge open on the two black tail pieces with the tracing facing up and join these together, finishing your stitch just before the curved side. Take the two joined ellipse shapes and align them with the curved sides on the tail and join these along the curved sides on both sides of the body, leaving the top straight edge open still. Take both half circle headpieces and sew them only around the curved edge. Join the headpieces to the body along the straight edges. When you've nearly finished the line, leave enough space to flip the body the right way up and stuff it once it's flipped. Close off the remaining gap with an invisible stitch. Using matching brown thread, join the pixel eyes to either side of the head using a backstitch. Place the two yellow beak pieces together with the tracing facing up and sew along the short and one long side. Flip this piece upright and tuck in the excess seam of the beak and use an invisible stitch to join it to the centre of the head. Put both red felt pieces together with the tracing facing up and sew around the tracing, leaving the shortest bottom edge open. Flip the right way up and using a small object to help if necessary, tuck in the excess seam and use an invisible stitch to join it to the top of the head. Repeat the same process for the beak with both feet pieces, using an invisible stitch to connect them to the bottom of the body once done. Take two of the four wing pieces and with the tracing facing up, begin joining them together. Once you've nearly reached the end, flip it upright and stuff it, then close off the open end with an invisible stitch. Repeat this for the second side. try to stuff it as evenly to the first wing as possible to prevent the plush from being unbalanced. Lastly, use an invisible stitch to join the wings to both sides of the body. I use pins to help keep them evenly placed. And that is how you make a Stardew Valley chicken. These are so cute and I'll definitely be making more of the animals soon, I promise. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas that you'd like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my other videos? I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!